Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can send Bitcoin on PayPal. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, simply go ahead first, open up your PayPal app on your phone and make sure you're signed in as well. Now right afterwards, you can see our crypto balance on the top left section and our PayPal balance on right. So you want to simply transfer your Bitcoin. For that, you're going to tap on this option of finances in the bottom section. Then finally, you're going to simply be able to use finances section. Go ahead, switch to your crypto on top, and then you're going to find your available balance on top and the total gain here in the Bitcoin section. So if you want to simply transfer the Bitcoin, then tap on this Bitcoin options show as given in the bottom. And once you've done that, you're going to find your Bitcoin balance on top, and in the bottom section you have two options called buy sell, and beside two arrow facing the opposite direction, go ahead, tap on it. And then you're going to find the option of send and receive. Go ahead, tap on this option of send on the top. Then you simply have to enter the address that you're sending your Bitcoin to. You can simply ask them to send you the address, or you can simply copy the address given by them and paste it right over there. And once you have got the address over here, simply go ahead, tap on that address. Then you're simply going to add the worth of Bitcoin you want to transfer, or you can simply add it in your amount as well. Once you've added that, tap on the send option given in the bottom. If you have selected all, you're going to find this option of send all instead. Then you will have a quick security checkup. Go ahead, tap on this next for the verification, and then you will receive a code in your phone. Go ahead, provide that and tap on continue again. Then you will have a final review regarding your request. Go ahead, check it out accordingly and tap on this option of send now. And that is it. That's how you're gonna simply request it and send a Bitcoin to another Bitcoin from your PayPal, and you're good to go. So that is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.